Hey everyone, this week we're traveling and visiting some friends, but we want to bring you some really great van build ideas for your future builds. So let's start off with number one, a skylight.
I'm David.
I'm Kaylee.
And this is the Pato Cruiser.
Welcome to the inside of our van.
Above the mirror, we have our skylight. So this was a bit intimidating to install. Basically had to cut a massive hole in the roof, but it works out great for me being 6'3". I can stand up, fully stretch out, super nice. Our favorite part of the van for sure. At night in the mountains, you can look up and the stars are just all across the sky. One of the things that we didn't like about the van that we rented, there were no windows and it was super dark inside. So we wanted light and natural light. So we started like looking, and then we just kind of got, well, maybe it should cover like our whole kitchen and then not the, so.
If we would have got a van with windows, it would have been different. Like we didn't have any windows and we were like, oh, it's kind of cool having the skylight because it's still light, but we have more privacy that way.
Yeah.
This next one is done by Spence, who actually builds vans for a living. So you might want to keep your eye out for how he does a flip down bed.
Hi, my name's Spence, and this is my 1991 Toyota Hiace. So when I started this build, I see a lot of camper vans that have the bench, the table, and to make the bed, you would have to, put the cushion down, drop the table in between, put the cushion, get your bed. No. See, for me, I tend to drive until I physically can't anymore, so I'll just pull off the side of the road, and to set up my bed, all you gotta do is pull this leg out, twist this knob, and the bed just comes right down. Sleeping bag's already folded up, so you just open her up, and you're good to go to bed, just like that. And it's as easy as putting the bag up, lifting the whole assembly up there, latching the deadbolt, and putting up the legs again, and you're already ready to go.
This next build is an adventure rig with everything you need. It's stacked full, but Joelle made sure there's a spare bed to bring her friends.
Hi, my name is Joelle, and this is my van, Pompon. So this is the inside of my van. Here we have a swivel seat, the passenger swivel seat. And here I have my sofa, which is like also a bed. So I can swivel this and it becomes a bed for my friends. I have my lagoon table here. My lagoon table is actually as well. I can use it to put it in front when I driving, to put some food on it as well. Or if I'm eating with a friend, just like this. Or if I want to write or eat just by myself, just here.
Steve and Tracy actually built our favorite schoolie that we've ever seen. And Steve's a little bit taller, so we actually had to raise the roof. So see how he did this one.
Hello, we are Tracy and Steve, and this is our schoolie, shore leave schoolie. Welcome aboard.
We did the raise, which is 10 inches that I raised the bus ceiling just down the center. So basically I built 2 ladders that had the pointed shape to them out of 1.5 inch square tubing, and then sheeted those with the actual skin that we pulled off the inside of the ceilings. And then did the seal work with the silicone paint and everything. The wood is cedar, and it's unfinished, and I left it unfinished because the ability for it to breathe and dry, so you don't get moisture issues, trapping moisture in the ceiling and stuff like that. Skylights again. These are actually just house skylights. They're 2 foot by 4 foot house skylights that I built a curb out of the plastic deck wood, and then lined them on the inside with this wood, painted them out, and turned them into my ceiling.
James produced this build so that the owner could actually take showers in the winter and not worry about the pipes freezing up the head outside. Take a look at how he did it.
Hi, I'm James, and I'm the owner of Vanavation. We're based in Squamish, BC, and this is our latest build. It's a Transit 148 extended. And yeah, let's dive on inside and I'll take you around. So as we come back on the driver's side, just right next to the bench seat, we've got a full-size shower. This is a 24 by 24 shower pan with a Nautilus shower door. You may have seen these guys, but very efficient for space and self-cleaning. So if it's wet on the inside, which obviously it's going to be, it sort of wipes it down. It has a little squeegee, quite a neat design. And then, yeah, full-size shower with a dimmable light here. We wanted to internalize the entire grey water system. So what we've done is we've raised the floor of the shower pan by, I think, 3 inches or something. And then we've got a little sump pump, which is actually underneath the fridge. So as soon as it gets to a level, the pump kicks in, and then it brings the grey water of your shower under the bed and into the same grey water tank. So for the Canadian winters, which get pretty cold, you don't really want anything outside your van as it's going to freeze up. So yeah, we've kept all the grey water system inside here, which is a nice feature.